Is your pump not functioning as it should? Let's talk about some next steps. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'll show you how to replace the pump in your Little Giant Pit+Plus. The Pit+Plus is designed to provide separate and easy access to the pump for quick maintenance and/or replacement. In the event that your pump is not functioning as it should, whether it's due to clogs, abrasives, lack of general maintenance, or even just many years of service, you may need to replace the pump. Today we'll show you the steps to remove and reassemble the pump, getting your package back to normal operation. Disconnect the pump and switch from the power supply. Remove the finish cover and the pump access cover. Remove the cord grommet from the switch access cover. Separate the pump power cord from the grommet. Loosen the 2-band clamps on the flexible coupling connecting the pump and the base and discharge pipes. Slide the flexible coupling down. Feed the power cord through the cord grommet opening and remove the pump. Remove the discharge pipe from the pump. Connect the discharge pipe to the replacement pump. Install the replacement pump into the basin so that the lower and basin discharge pipes are aligned, and the pump feet are seated in the locating recesses to prevent the pump from rotating over time. Center the flexible adapter on both discharge pipes and tighten the band clamps. Route the pump cord behind the discharge pipe. Remove any cord slack that might potentially interfere with the control float or alarm float operation. Feed the power cord through the cord grommet opening and reinstall the cord grommet. Reinstall the pump access and finish covers. Connect the pump and switch to the power supply. If your pump is not operating as it should, or is in need of maintenance, complete these simple removal and installation steps to remove or replace your pump. To learn more, visit Franklin Tech online and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. Your feedback will help us continue to bring great content. Thanks for watching.